All right, let's do a little extra practice, a little review, in case you didn't get it yesterday, keep working at it. It is triangular prisms, and we're looking for the surface area, all parts of the outside. So if I was going to wrap this like a present, how much wrapping paper would I need to cover the whole outside of it? Okay, I have triangle right here, and then there's one opposite. So I'm just going to find the area of that triangle and then times it by 2. So it's a 3 by 2.6. 3 times 2.6 divided by 2. And let's figure out what that is. 3 times 2.6 equals 7.8. Divided by 2 is 3.9. But I need 2 of them because I got a front and a back. So times that by 2. So my triangles are 7.8. Now, let's go to the side. Let's do this one right here. So we have 3 sides to do. I'm going to start with this one. It looks like it's a 7 by 3. So that's 21 for the area. Now let's do the back side. This one right here, which looks like a 3 by 7. So that's 21. And the final one I have is the very bottom. And that is a 3 by 7. So that's a 21. That's pretty nice. So I know 21 plus 21 plus 21 is 63. And you take 63 plus 7.8 and you get 70.8. And it's inches and it's area, so it's squared. All right, cool. Let's go to another one. Now, for fun, because I know you like to have fun, you could pause the video right here on a scratch piece of paper. Do it. See if you get the same thing I do. So you could be like kind of play a game with yourself. All right. Here we go. I like to start with the triangles. And this one is a 13. Oh, no, it's not. That's not the height, because that doesn't form a right angle. This right here is the height, which is the same as that. So this is a 12-foot by a base of 5. So 12 times 5, and that is, 60. Okay, so I'm going to put 60 over. Oh, wait a minute. 12 by 5 is 60, and then divided by 2 is 30. So this one right here is 30, but I have another one over here. So that is 60. Now I need the 3 other sides. Let's do this big one first. And it's a rectangular. It's a rectangle. And it looks like it's a 12 by 16. 12 by 16. 12 times 16 equals 192. 192. Okay, 2 more to go. Let's do this one right here. Kind of a backside or something. Well, it looks like it's a 5 by this. Oh, this is a 16, so this is a 16. 5 by 16. And a 5 by 16 is 80. 1 more to go. The very bottom that it sits on. Okay. Well, it looks like it's a 16 by 13. 16 by 13. And that gets me 338. Now, so that's 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5. 5 different sides. Now, let's add them up. 338 plus 80 plus 192 plus 60 equals 670. And that is not right. Huh. The answer says 540. So they say it's 540. Let's see if we can figure out what happened here, okay? 540A. We know that this is a 12 by 5. Because this also is a 12 by 5. So 12 by 5 equals 60 divided by 2 is 30 for each one, plus, or times 2 is 60. Okay, so I'm confirmed on that one. Now, maybe I had lines going too many places, so I'm gonna figure this out. Let's do this. That one's done, that one's done. I'm gonna do the bottom. And it looks like it's a 16 by 13. So 16 times 13 equals 208. Oh, I found my mistake. It's not 338, it's 208. Let me try that again just to make sure. 16 times 13 equals, 208. Now, let's add them up. See if we get the 540. 60 plus 192 plus 80 plus 208 equals 540 feet squared. So, there's my answer. But you can see how easy it is. If you get a little bit wrong, you get it all wrong. So I wanted to show you what could happen if you get the wrong answer, and you have some of your work shown. You can see as you go through it which one was wrong. So I knew right when this one was wrong, what I didn't have to do anymore, because then I added those up and I got my 540. Okay, cool. Let's do another one. Okay, this one, maybe you should try this one on your own and then see if you and I get the same answer. Okay, I'm going to do the triangle. I like doing the triangles first. Right here. So this is 6, so this has to be 6. So it's a 6 by 5.3. 6 times 5.3. 6 times 5.3 equals 31.8 divided by 2. 31.8 divided by 2. It's 15.9. But because you have two triangles, you times that by 2, and you get 31.8. So those are my two triangles. Now, I'm going to erase it. Oops, that's not an eraser. Here we go. Oh, I can't erase those? Really? Okay. Let's just move on. Let's do this one over here. So it has that and that. Now, if this is 13, this also has to be 13. And then this would be 13. So it's a 13 by 8. 13 by 8. 13 times 8. That is 104. Okay. Now, let's do this one right here. I feel like it's a back because it could go against a wall, but it's a 13 by 6. 13 by 6. 78. Okay, and we have one final one. It's what it's sitting on. Okay, like that. And it's the 13 by 5.3. 13 times 5.3. Oopsie, 13 times 5.3 equals 68.9. Now let's add them all up and see what we get. 68.9 plus 78 plus 104 plus 31.8 equals 282.7 centimeters squared. Cool. All right, we are cooking. I wonder if you got the same answer as I did. If you didn't, I would definitely try and figure out what happened. Okay. This is the last one we will do. Let's start with the triangle right here. And we know that there's two of them. Okay. Looks like this is the height. And this would be the same as this. So this is 6. And the base that it sits on is right here, which is the same as this. So we have 11.6 times 6 from here to here, same as up top, times 6. 11.6 times 6 equals 69.6 divided by 2, because it's a triangle, gives me an area of 34.8. Now, 34.8 is that one and that one. So, times it by 2, and I get 69.6. Now, let's go over, see if we can figure out what's what. This right here looks like an 8.2. This looks like a 12, and that should take care of that right there. So 12 times 8.2, 98.4. So 98.4. Now let's do this back one over here. Looks like it's an 8.5 by whatever this is. If this is 12, so is that. So 12 times 8.5. 8.5 equals 102. 102. Now there's just one more to do, and it's this one right here. From here to here to here to here. And it's a 12 by 11.6. Times 12. That is 139.2. Now I got all my sides, so let's just add it up. 139.2 plus 102 plus 98.4 plus 69.6 equals, that gives me 409.2, and looks like it's meters, and it's the area, so it's squared. Alrighty, cool. So hopefully you got the same answer as I did. Hopefully that was a little bit of practice for you. And then I am going to put 2 problems on a Google form, and I would like for you to solve those 2 problems. All right. Let me know if you have any questions.